online video training organized by FirstClick to teach how to learn programming for beginners, free of charge. In this video, we will go a step higher by introducing you to structured programming, which states that it is possible to write any computer program by using only three basic control structures, which is sequence control structure, selection control structure, and repetition control structure. The sequence control structure is the straightforward execution of one processing step after another. In pseudocode, we represent this as follows. The sequence control structure can be used to represent the first four basic computer operations listed previously in one of our videos. 1. To receive information. Put out information. 3. Perform arithmetic. 4. Assign values. These are what you can use sequence control structure to perform in a computer program. For example, a typical sequence of statements in an algorithm might read. This illustrates the sequence control structure as a straightforward list of steps written one after the other in a top to bottom fashion. Each instruction will be executed in the order in which it appears. The selection control structure represents the decision-making ability of the computer and is used to illustrate the fifth basic computer operation, namely to compare two pieces of information and select one of two alternate actions. In pseudocode, selection is represented by the keywords if, then, else, and if. If condition P is true, then the statement or statements in the true case will be executed, and the statements in the false case will be skipped. Otherwise, the else statement, the statement in the true case will be skipped, and statements in the false case will be executed. In either case, control then passes to the next processing step after the delimiter if. A typical pseudocode example might look like this. A variation of the selection control structure is the null-else structure, which is used when a task is performed only if a particular condition is true. The null-else construct is written in pseudocode as follows. Note that the keyword else is omitted. This construct tests the condition in the if clause, and if that is found to be true, performs the statement or statements listed in the then clause. However, if the initial condition is found to be false, then no action will be taken and processing will proceed to the next statement after the if.